6 to the power of 1 minus 8 and 2 squared minus 3 to the power of 0. 6 to the power of 1 equals 1. No. 6 to the power of 1 is equal to 6, right? Not 1, right? So 6 minus 8 and 2 squared means 4 and minus 3 to the power of 0 equals 0. Now 6 minus 8 equals minus 2, right? And 4 minus 0 equals 4. Now minus 2 and 4 here is multiply, so 2 times 4 equals 8. Keep the negative sign, but this is not correct. Why minus 8 is not correct? Because 3 to the power of 0 is not equal to 0, right? 3 to the power of 0 is not equal to 0. 3 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So follow the order of operations and do like this. So 6 to the power of 1 equals 6, right? So 6 to the power of 1 minus 8, and so inside the parentheses first, right? Then exponents. So 2 squared means 4 minus 3 to the power of 0 equals 1. Okay, now after parentheses exponents, right? So 6 to the power of 1 equals minus 8, and 4 minus 1 equals 3. Now exponent. 6 to the power of 1 equals 6 minus 8 and 3. Now here is multiply. Multiplication must be done before subtraction. So 6 minus 8 times 3 equals 24, and 6 minus 24 equals minus 18.